June 26, 2013, the Supreme Court deemed the Defense of Marriage Act and California's Proposition 8 as unconstitutional. July 17, same-sex marriage became law in England and Wales. I asked a few people what their thoughts were on this.
Yeah, I think these are all decisions that are moving to something that's an inevitability and a fairness that people should marry whoever they want to marry.
Well, I think that it made sense. There was singling out a group, and the whole idea is we're not supposed to do that. Everybody's supposed to get treated fairly.
I think everybody should have that right, I think it's really a good thing.
For the social benefit thing, and that it should be kind of balanced, cannot go all the way.
There's a lot to be said for saying marriage has always been a states' rights kind of thing, and there's an awful lot of that talk that things ought to be states' rights.
The guy that I sit next to in my office is gay, and so we were following it the whole day of the trial, and we were both just so excited when they ruled it unconstitutional. It's just good for morale.
Not ready to 100% support.
Okay.
But I think they have their choice.
I think it's about time.
I'm okay with that. See, I feel that everybody should do what makes them happy. If they feel that that's what makes them happy, then I feel that they should do it.
That is another example doing extreme on the other side.
I feel really positive about it. I remember when I first heard the news, I was sitting in my office, and I have a phone that tells you the news, and it said it on the phone, and I was like, oh my gosh, and I quickly got on my computer and looked it up, and I was just so ecstatic for people in the UK.
People that recognize it, the more it gains a momentum.
Slowly adapting to accept them, but not to force people along.
I think the biggest issue is that there's a lot of it has to do with people's religious beliefs, and that's just such a tricky thing.
It takes years to, have people accept it. If people not accept, it will create a conflict in the society, which we don't want to see.
Everybody should be happy, and if that's what makes them happy, I'm okay.
Everybody has an attitude that's moving towards same-sex equality.